Hello friends! Welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. You can watch my videos in your language. Follow the steps to set your language. Step 1. Click the gear icon. Step 2. Select audio track. Step 3. Select your language. You may contact me for industrial design substation layout power system studies on +9 1700 647 4688. Call or WhatsApp.
Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our part 4 of our question and answer session. We are taking this questions of my subscribers through Google form. The link of the Google form is given in the description. If you have any question, you can ask through the Google form, and when I get time I will reply. We have received 5 questions and we will see one by one what are the questions and try to answer these questions. First one is from Samiullah Haria. Proper name I am not able to pronounce. It is from Afghanistan and it is the question related to load flow analysis. Hello dear friend, I hope you are doing well. It is good. I am a 4th year student of Electrical Engineering Department at Sheikh Zayed University of Afghanistan. My teacher has given me a university level problem to solve. I have to draw the schematic in ETAP and then analyze it. Could you please help me solve this question? He has attached also a one file, Afghanistan forces. Let us see what is that. The person in the image, what is this? Sorry sir, brother, you are not attached the proper file here. We will go to the next question. You can attach a proper file, and it is something file. What is this file? I will again, parent turbine known as Shalwar Kameez. This, what is this? Brother, I am asking you to ask a question and attach file related to that question. Okay, we will go for next question. Samiullah, I think it is same person. Load flow analysis. Yes, it is same person, and it has also attached some screenshots. Yeah, I will see. You can, this is a screenshot. Okay, second is this same, and third is actually what I have understand from this his question. He want to find the sequence components in ETAP. Brother, if you are trying to make this diagram, this sketch in ETAP, that is not possible. But if you want to calculate the sequence component, zero sequence component, positive sequence component, and negative sequence component, that is possible. But making a sketch like this is not possible. I will show you how you can calculate the sequence components. The sequence components are generally calculated when we have an unbalanced system. So this is our grid. I can double click here and go to the rating. In the rating, you can see there are two things. One is balanced, another is unbalanced. Generally, it is by default balanced selected, but if you have to do unbalanced studies, then select the unbalanced. Then you can see here this is a voltage A, the angle of that voltage B, the percentage voltage, and voltage B angle -120 degree, and voltage C and their angle. Suppose I have entered some data here. You can also change the angle. Maybe there is the angle 60 degree. Yeah, here this is 75 degree, and click OK. Then here is the balanced load flow studies. This is the balanced load flow study, and one more is here, unbalanced load flow studies. You can select this and perform the load flow analysis. You can see, you can get it. This is the positive sequence component 1, negative sequence 2, and zero sequence component of the voltage. Okay, if these things does not appear, sometimes generally does not appear, but you have to go to display, and in the display you have to select the all sequence. If we select the average value, then it will give only one value. You can see that it can give only one value. Generally this value is coming by default, it is selected as an average value, but you have to go to the display and then select the all sequences and click OK. In this way you can calculate the zero sequence component, positive sequence component and negative sequence component. Okay, now we will see one more question. What is the question? Another question. We will first close these things. Okay, one more question is question number 3rd. It is Saeed Faik Shah. It is from Pakistan, and it is question related to relay coordination, but he has not typed any question, neither he has attached any file. What I can do, you should attach the file and ask the question, what actually you want in the relay coordination. You want any lecture on the relay coordination, what you want. Then another question is question number 4. It is from Dijibian, Algeria, and the question is also related to relay coordination, but same thing he has done. He has neither attached any file nor he has typed any question, but what I can understand to what he actually wants to ask. One more question is from Rivati.s. It is from India, and it is also from relay coordination. He has typed the question and he has attached also some video file and some screenshots. That is good. Hey sir, good evening. I did a relay coordination using SLD from your YouTube channel. In that, I am not got the correct tripping sequence of the circuit breaker operating now. I try to view star view. It is not show. Help me sir. I learned the ETAP software from your channel. Thank you so much for that sir. Okay, I am very thankful that you have learned something from me. We will see it as files. Okay, this is a relay coordination. Okay, I have, and one more file we can see. Okay, one more file we can see. This is a video file, and we can that means he is not getting the proper tripping sequence of the relay coordination. Brother, I want to tell you that I have already lecture on that, so why video is not coming. You can see this one. This is a playlist ETAP errors. You can go to, you can see here, I will show you playlist. There is a playlist ETAP errors. You can see your ETAP errors. Go to their videos and he can find here ETAP errors star view not generated. Maybe this will help you. If this does not help you, you can do one thing. You can attach a OTI file, MDF file and PDF file of your model which you have created in the ETAP. Attach that file and send me. You can send me if you are my WhatsApp group. In my WhatsApp group you can send me directly to there, and I will take this question as a priority basis. So because you have asked this question in this, so I will take it on the priority basis, and I will see and I will guide you properly what is the problem and how you can solve this. There are 3 files. I am saying OTI .OTI file, and one more is the PDF file, MDF file, and one more is the that LDF file. That is when you save this your model. When you are saving this model, these files are created. You can go to your folder where you can save, where you are saving these files, and you will get these files, and you can send me, and I will analyze that. Then I will properly guide you. Thank you.